Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my daily vlog, and today I'll be picking up some parts for the Honda Civic. So when I had that problem with the wheel lock, I bought all this kit here. I bought the master key set of all these wheel lock, and of course you saw my other lock that I bought, and they did not all work. Okay, turn it on. Next, easy return, guys. No need to go to GPS and wait in line just to give to the clerk. Here you can just do it right on the spot. Alright, I'm at the Napa Auto Paint store. Let's go check it out. It's my first time here. How does it work if I want to just touch up on my bumper?
What starts, we need a color code from your vehicle.
Okay.
With that, then depending on if you wanted to spray it from a spray can or from a gun,
Okay.
and then that would depend on how much you would mix to. Sometimes there's variances to
Uh-huh.
the color, and so we can pull the chips and then you can hold them up to the vehicle,
Okay.
so you can get the closest match.
Uh-huh.
And then
How much is a spray can?
they're $43.56 after taxes.
Okay. So I gotta bring the color code, and then they have to bring like a chip or a sample or.
Yeah, either the vehicle. Some people bring the gas cap
Uh-huh.
from the car.
Okay.
Is it
Yo,
just anything that would?
match up.
Yeah.
Let me get the trim and the clear coat.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Hello. Okay, so time for an oil change. And plug is basically right there, and then I'm gonna do transaxle as well. Just get that going. All right, let's work on the transaxle fluid. So there's two plugs. This is the drain, and then that's the filler plug right there. And to do these, you always want to take off the fill plug first, never the drain, because if you take off the drain first and all the fluid comes out, and then you go take off the fill plug and it's stuck, and now you can't fill the fluid no more and you're stuck. So you always want to take off the fill first. That way for sure you know you can fill the transaxle, and then you drain it second. Okay, so don't forget. And you want to keep filling it up until overfills, and then when it spills back out, then that means it's full. And I'll be using the trim and bumper paint. So right now I'm using the flashlight to check, make sure there's no light spots, and I do see some light spots as well, like right here. So I'm gonna hit that one more time. I'll check the size. It's a good size, yeah. There you go.